Geotab turns your vehicle data into actionable insights for smarter fleet management. Track vehicles in real-time, monitor driver behavior, and identify opportunities to improve efficiency and safety. All of the functionalities discussed in this video demonstration are also available in the MyGeotab mobile app. Geotab Live Location Tracking gives you a real-time view of your entire fleet. You can see every vehicle's current position and movement, empowering you to make informed decisions on the fly. Get instant details on any vehicle by hovering over its icon to see its name, speed, and any important alerts like harsh braking or speeding. Different icons represent different vehicle statuses, allowing you to easily distinguish between vehicles that are moving, idling, or stopped. For a closer look, click on any vehicle to zoom in and see its live location on the map. Rules are your key to proactive fleet management, helping enforce company policies and ensure driver safety. Geotab comes with the most common rules pre-built, and you can customize these rules, such as adjusting the speeding threshold for different zones or vehicles. The real power lies in creating custom rules tailored to your unique requirements, combining multiple events to create complex rules. For example, tailgating plus speeding plus cell phone use can trigger a dangerous driving alert. If you have dash cams installed, you can even include video evidence in your alerts when a rule is broken. Get instant notifications via email or in-app alerts. Zones, also known as geofences or landmarks, allow you to set virtual boundaries around specific areas or customer locations. With zones, you can understand estimated arrival times, see how long a vehicle spends within a zone, and get notified if a vehicle leaves a designated area, helping you optimize routes, improve customer service, and enhance overall fleet efficiency. Zones and rules work together. For example, you can create a rule to be notified if a vehicle enters, exits, or stops within a zone. Easily track key metrics, identify areas for improvement, and boost your fleet's performance with Geotab's built-in and customizable reports. Add the most important reports to your dashboard where you can access, download, or manage them with a few clicks. You can even rearrange your charts to prioritize the information that matters most. Set up automated report settings. Configure who can receive the report, what data to include, and how often. If you need to adjust the average fuel cost or edit driver behavior scores easily, download the report as an Excel file, make your changes, and upload it back to the platform.